Hey everyone! If you're into tech that balances quality, design, and price, this one's for you. We've got the Baseus BC1, the entry-level open-ear clip-ons, the premium BC1 MC1 Pro, and the BP1 Pro, which is all about adaptive ANC. Let's find out which one fits your style, budget, and ears best. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing Baseus BC1 Matte Soft Touch Charging Case, compact and lightweight. 2 color options, Space Black and Moon White. Open ear design with C-ring clip. Physical buttons, Baseus MC1 Pro. Sleek, clip-on ring design with memory titanium wire. Premium finish, feels solid and futuristic. Comes in Space Black, Moon White, and Titanium. Featherweight, at just 5 grams per bud. Truly cloud-like comfort. Baseus BP1 Pro classic stem-style buds with rubberized tips. Case includes LED battery indicators and a smooth matte texture. Fits snugly in ear. More traditional but modernized, available in 3 shades. Space Black, Moon White, Ocean Blue. Audio quality and performance. Baseus Bass BC1 Super Bass Experience. Equipped with 12mm drivers and AI-powered bass boost, the BC1 delivers rich sound despite its price. No high-res, but the open-ear design still punches with clarity. Great for outdoor runs where you want to hear traffic and beats. BC1 MC1 Pro, studio level, high-res certified. High-res wireless, certified with LDAC support, plus a tri-magnet driver. The sound here is wide, immersive, and CD quality. Super Bass 2.0 tech really makes the lows thump while keeping vocals crisp. Even Grammy and Emmy pros endorse it. BP1 Pro, adaptive audio in action. LDAC plus real-time EQ equals personalized audio. The BP1 Pro adapts to volume levels to maintain bass and clarity. It's high-res certified, and you get spatial audio for an enveloping experience. Best for commutes and noisy environments. Noise cancellation and call quality, Baseus BP1 Pro, real-time adaptive, ANC. Standout ANC performance at -50 decibels. It reacts in milliseconds using 4 noise sensors. Add 6 mics with AI clear calls, and this is easily the best call-ready and noise-blocking option, especially under $40. MC1 Pro, open ear with call clarity. Though open ear, it offers dual mic noise reduction for clear calls. Great for multitaskers who need ambient awareness while staying connected. BC1, surprisingly decent. Call quality. 4-mic ENC gives you clean call audio even on a budget. Battery and charging. In terms of battery, BP1 Pro dominates with a full 12 hours per charge and 55 hours total. MC1 Pro hits the sweet spot for daily use with 9 hours, while BC1 gives a solid 7.5 hours, perfect for short commutes and workouts. Plus, they all support fast charging for quick top-ups. Comfort and fit test. BC1 Featherlight Freedom, only 5.3 grams per bud. Tri-curve clips and breathable design mean no pressure in the ear canal. Perfect for workouts, glasses wearers, and piercings. MC1 Pro, premium ergonomics. Curve fit cushions, memory titanium U-ring, and soft TPU make this the comfiest Baseus earbud ever. Tested for 8,000 plus bends. BP1 Pro, 5 sizes of ear tips, IP55 water resistant. It's a great travel and gym companion if you prefer in-ear sealing. Bluetooth and app features. All 3 use Bluetooth 6.0, BP1 Pro. Lowest latency, 0.0. 5/8 seconds customizable. ANC plus EQ, customizable ANC plus EQ via app. MC1 Pro, dual device support, plus Smart Connect seamless switching. BC1 app support plus multi-point, rare for entry level. Which one should you get? On a budget? Go for Baseus Bass BC1. At $39, it's the best open-ear super bass pick, below $40. Comfortable, secure, and sounds fantastic for outdoor use. For the best sound and comfort combo, MC1 Pro is the all-rounder. Studio-grade audio, ultra-soft fit, IP67 rating, recommended even by Grammy winners. Need serious noise cancellation? BP1 Pro is a steal. Adaptive ANC, spatial audio, and 55-hour battery make it unbeatable in value. Whichever one you choose, Baseus is clearly pushing the boundaries of what earbuds can offer at their price points. Check out the links below for the latest prices, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know. Which Baseus bud are you rocking in 2025? So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.